This is the tale of a great healer, known as a god in human nature. The sick is healed at the sight of him. His name is known in kingdoms around and those beyond. He is the glory of Umuago. His name is Anyanwu.
Son of the gods.
I am going to see Ebube at this stream.
Yeah. But Ebube is not there. Nnebe, Ebube is inside. Let me take you to Ebube.
Ebube is there.
Ebube is not.
Ebube, welcome. Ebube,
No. You have not said anything about the forthcoming healing procession.
You talk as if he's within his powers to pick a date. Your brother said the gods have not spoken. Let us wait.
It's that time of the year. Maybe Anyanwu is no longer as strong as he used to be.
See! Shut up. Shut that mouth. Don't bring curse upon our generation. When the gods speak, he will take direction. Mind what you tell him in the eyes of the people. Remember who he is. Don't talk anyhow.
Leave me!
Don't get away from me.
Sorry, I'm really sorry about this. Just because I don't want to lose you. I don't want you to run away.
Nne, don't worry. Anyanwu will soon come out to heal his people.
When? We have waited for so long. It's as if the gods are just punishing us.
I know how you feel. Remember, I lost my only brother, Ebube. We should be glad Obioma did not die too.
I want to see Ebube.
When I blame them all. I blame them and this their so-called love. How can they be so drunk in love to walk into that river? Who in this village does know that Mirionwa is the sacred river that Anyanwu births in?
I want to go to the stream.
They were carried away in love. They were carried away.
Hey.
I want to see Ebube.
Look at her. Look at my sister. We are gradually losing her. Oh.
Uzioma, Gemunti. Oh? We have no other choice but to wait for Anyanwu to come out and commence his healing procession. Don't forget, he is the only one in this kingdom and beyond that can cure her. Even though I heard of a Dibia in my mother's kingdom, they said he cures mad people, but...
Izuna, I thought you were my friend. How come you've never mentioned it to me? Please, I want to see this Dibia of yours. Where does he stay? Where's the mother's kingdom? Kibo?
Are you sure it's the right thing to do?
I am sure.
Anyanwu will soon come out, please.
That was same thing they said last 2 Eke market days. Biko, I want to see this Dibia of yours. Kibo, what's the name of the kingdom?
It's okay if you say so. I'll tell you.
I said so. I said so. Biko. Oh. Biko, go and help me untie her. Let me give her food.
Ebube is coming. Oh, Ebube is coming.
It's coming.
Oh,
it's coming.
he's coming. He's coming. Ebube is hungry.
You're hungry too.
Yes.
I want you to eat. Oh.
You will eat, oh?
Oh,
She will eat.
I will eat. Oh, Ebube is coming. Ebube is coming. Ebube is coming. Ebube is coming. Ebube is coming.
He's coming. He's coming. Oh.
Ebube is coming.
Ebube is coming. Oh.
Ebube is coming.
Ebube is coming.
Ebube is coming. He's coming. He's coming.
Yes, he's coming.
Oh, to meet Ebube. Oh, to meet Ebube. Oh, to meet Ebube.
Yes. We are going to meet Nnebe now at the stream. We are going to meet Nnebe.
Yes, we're going to meet Nnebe.
If we don't meet
Yes, Nnebe is coming. That's good. Nnebe is coming.
Nnebe is coming.
It's coming, bro.
Coming.
It's coming.
I told you. I told you to wait for the sun to come out before going to cut the palm fruits. But you refused. Look at it now. Hey! Oh! Don't worry. The herbs will help to reduce the pain. It will help to reduce the pain. You go on? Wait. Hey! Hey! Can see Jeno. Okay, loud.
Don't worry, it will help to calm the pain. It will help to reduce the pain.
So this thing I heard is true, eh? Ojugo, how did it happen?
Hey, what you heard is true. Hey, look at my husband. He is in so much pain. Why have the gods decided to punish my family? Why? What have we done? Hey! How do we survive in this condition? How do we feed?
Ojugo, please calm down. Calm down, don't worry yourself. Just send your daughter, Amaka, to my house. I will give her a basket of cassava and yam. Please, take it easy.
Thank you. May the gods continue to provide for you. Thank you.
My friend Ozo, the gods of our land will strengthen you. Please, take care of him.
Hey! Wait now. Wait.
Uche, I told you to relax. Your daughter will be among the first people my brother will hear.
It's okay. I trust your words. But my only fear now is that my daughter might not be alive before that time. Her condition is getting worse by the day.
Oh.
We have tried different kinds of herbs given to us by far and near Dibia. There is no improvement. Our only hope now is on the great healer of our land.
Of course, he's the great healer. He's the greatest healer that's ever lived. Don't worry, your daughter will be fine, okay? Yes.
I know. Everyone in this village knows he is the divine one. But the gods have refused to speak on when the healing of the sick will take place. The people are already beginning to lose hope.
Uche, don't provoke me. Don't provoke me! What's the meaning of that? How dare you speak of the greatest healer that's ever lived in such manner? How dare you?
I'm sorry if I provoke you. Please, take this cowries. Don't mind my ignorance.
You provoked me and you're now giving me cowries.
I'm really sorry.
Use 2 hands and give it to me. You know I'm the brother to the greatest healer. Use 2 hands and give it to me.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Relax, your daughter will be fine. I'll talk to him.
Please do that as fast as possible.
Uche.
Master.
Go and fetch my mother.
Yes, Master.
They are merciful and gracious. Mother, the gods have spoken. I can proceed in healing the people.
Speak no more, son. You have made me proud once again. The healer of our time. The only one that has the eyes that shines brighter than the moon. The only one with the healing hand in our generation. I will go to the king so that the preparation will start at once.
I'll be going to Munachi tomorrow to see the Dibia Izuna spoke of that can heal my sister.
I don't think it's a good idea. Why not wait on the great Anyanwu to take care?
Why is everybody telling me to wait on Anyanwu? Why?
Shut up!
Why? Okay.
Shut up!
Did you hear that? If I don't do anything, I will lose my sister. Do you want her to die?
No.
Is that what you people want? I have to do something. I can't just sit down, fold my arms and watch my sister. Why?
Uzioma, please calm down. I'm sorry to upset you. Honestly, I understand how you feel.
No, you don't.
I do.
You don't.
Uzioma, Obioma is also dear to me. I just wish I can be of help.
Of course you can help. Please, I want you to support me and assist my mother while I embark on this journey. Biko.
Of course I will support you.
In
fact, I must be here tomorrow morning to help Mama take care of Obioma. Yes.
Dalo, this means a lot to me.
All I want from you is to be careful.
I will.
Please.
I will.
Let me go and see Obioma.
Dalo, I really appreciate this. Thank you.
You're making me angry. Oh, you're fine.
Oh,
you're fine.
It's coming.
It's coming.
It's coming.
Get this one. You know that fruit? You like it. Give me, go get it. Where are you going to? I'm coming back. We are going to this stream. Don't go! We're going to this stream.
I don't know why I put here. Because that woman has decided to leave Kokotolo near now. But that is true.
It's okay.
Igwe. I bring you good news, Igwe.
Achalugo, go ahead and tell us. What is it?
Otutu. Eye. N'abalị. I greet you, Igwe. Ndị Ichie, Ekeanyanwu.
You're welcome.
Anyanwu, the great healer of our time, sent me with the good news. The gods has finally answered our prayer.
Igwe, you can see, the gods never disappoint.
Yes, they are not asleep. It might take time, but they never disappoint. And of course, this is good news.
Yes.
Ikedi, fetch me Ukwa. This is good news. Yes. This will lighten the faces of my people.
You can say that again.
Achalugo, may the gods continue to protect you and your household.
It's
good news. Yes.
Good news.
Good news.
Okoye. You see, in this kingdom, after the king, it is me. In fact, I am the king's second man. When there is good news, who announces it to the people? And when there is bad news, who also announces it to the people? It is still me. Oh, no, what? Empty keg. Please buy me more drink. Let me drink and go. Because the people of Umuagu needs to know that great Anyanwu will be coming out tomorrow.
Buy him Guinea. Don't buy him another drink. Look at him. He's already wasted over a half keg of Nkwelu. And I say buy him another drink. And you are laughing.
He will drop. Who is talking?
Lava.
Lava, come on, shut up! Look at this. Who are you? You are too small to be drinking where men are drinking. Come on. Come.
Hey, Ukwa.
No.
Sort my customer.
Who's your customer? You are advising him not to give me drink because you want all the palm wine for yourself. Is that not selfishness?
Yeah, Okwa. The king sent you on an errand.
Idiot! You are following according to the way your father follows the king.
I will beat you like a child. You don't respect yourself.
Ukwa. I think it's okay for now. You need to go.
You need to go.
You've had enough for today. You need to go.
Am I drinking with your mouth?
Okoye, give him 1 keg of palm.
Give him what?
I'm paying.
Yeah, you will pay. Never mind. Butia. Hey, Akunaya, the strongest man of our time. You are the richest, you are the strongest, Akuna. The cause of our land will continue to make you rich. Don't mind that idiot. Let that idiot that is sitting beside you go away. He's becoming bigger than you. When I knew you, you were as tiny as this thing. But look at you now, very big. You're not fwaze. You're not fwaze. You're not echo. Look at you.
Happy.
Come on.
What's your mom?
Asiama! Asiama, come!
What's your mom? Please don't go. Be cool, no.
Don't worry. Okay? Clear off that look. Before you know it, I am back. I need to go and look for solution. Besides, Umanachi is not far from Oncha River. Before you know it, I am back. Oh.
But you are too young to embark on this journey. Kanje, let me go. Allow me to do the trick in Bikon.
Stop looking at me as a child. I am no longer a child. Don't forget that most of my mates are married with children. And moreover, someone needs to stay at home and look after my sister Obioma.
Then stay. Stay with her. Let me go.
Nay, we both know your leg hurts. You cannot even go on a long journey. Do not worry. Like I said, I will soon be back. Oh, I really need to go and look for a solution. Do not worry, I'll be back. Babe, please look after her, okay?
I will.
Asiama!
I'll be back.
Asiama, don't go.
I'll be back.
Asiama, don't go, don't go, don't go.
I won't be long, I'm coming.
May the gods be with you.
Asiama is coming. Asiama is coming. She will stay here. Oh?
This message is coming from the great king of our kingdom. No one is expected to come out in the early hour of today until the cock croaks for the 12th time. The great Anyanwu of our time will be coming out to pick herbs for his healing procession. Do not say I did not say. People of Umuagu, greetings, people of Umuagu. This message is from the king. No one is expected to come out from the early hour of today until the cock croaks for the 12th time. People of Umuagu, the great Anyanwu will be coming out today to pick herbs for his healing procession. Do not say, I did not say. Do not say, I did not say. Honorable Arabia. Get back! Get back! So! Chinaka is just making the announcement. Why is he just making the announcement this morning?
Let us go back and wait a little longer before leaving.
Oh. Why will such person restrict our journey? Don't you know what it means when they told him Anyanwu is coming out?
Let us go and wait a little longer to be on the safe side.
Is today Eke day? Why is everywhere quiet? Or Nnebe?
Let us start going. I'm sure the whole village must have had the announcement.
Mother, Let us wait a little longer.
We have waited enough. We have to start going before the sun comes out. The sky is bright already. You know you have to be done before the rising of the sun.
If you say so, let us go.
The great Anyanwu will be coming out today
to pick herbs for his seal.
Oh, where are you running to? Who is this idiot? Where are you running to? Idiot! Look at the question. I'm in there. Idiot! Did you not hear the announcement? That the great Anyanwu is to come out today to pick help for his healing procession. Look at the idiot. Who sent you? Come. Run, just run straight to your house and go there, hide yourself. Don't come out until the sun faces the west. Idiot! They said to go kill me. Tell them you did not see me. Idiot! I'll be shouting, making an announcement, making sure that everyone is hearing me. And this idiot is throwing. May the curse kill you, idiot! You're lucky I did not see you dead. If I had Waganya. Nala.
Oh no, what have I gotten myself into? But I didn't hear the announcement. Hey, what will be my fate though? Hey, Chimo.
Strong, please. Be strong, please. Please be strong, please. Please. Please be strong, please. Be strong, please. Be strong. Be strong. Be strong, be strong. Be strong, please. Please be strong. Oh! 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 Please! Please! Be strong, please! Please be strong. Please, please, please. Oh, oh, oh. Please be strong, please. Please. Please, please, please. Come on. Be strong. Be strong, please. Please be strong. Come on, come on, come on. Help him. Help him. Help him. Help him. Please be strong. Be strong, please. Be strong. Oh. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my God. Oh. Oh.
What do we do?
I will destroy the family she comes from. If anything dare happens to my son, may the gods have mercy on them! Ah!
Nay, what if he has lost his powers? What are we going to do?
May the gods forbid such omen. Not in my time. I will go see the king. Stay with him until he wakes up.
Yes, Nne.
I'll go see the king.
What is the solution?
Oh no.
What do you have to say?
What we are about to face is beyond us. And none of us knows how much damage it costs. But during the time of Ekeanyanwu, he never got his power back.
You are right, no. But let us just pray that the gods favor us. Chinaka did not make the announcement as you instructed yesterday. I heard him this morning.
The maiden in question, do you know or recognize her face?
Igwe, I did not recognize her face.
Ikedi.
Yes, Igwe.
Get me Chinaka. Yes. Fast.
May the gods of our land be merciful.
Ure, I heard he has not woken up since after the incident.
My father said the healer has never fallen sick, not even when he was a child.
His eyes sparkles. I heard no one has seen his eyes before, except for his mother who has the divine grace.
What will be of him now that he has been sent by a commoner?
Urena, you should be asking what the fate of Umagu would be.
I heard nobody even knows who the girl is. I'm afraid, Mama.
Uri, I wish I was the one who saw his face. I wish I was the one who saw his face.
Biamachi, or whatever you call yourself, will you shut up your mouth and clean off the bad omen on your lips? Why would you wait for such calamity to befall you because you want to be the first to see him? By the way, what are you waiting for? Don't you know Achorugo's hut? Go there immediately. I don't want to hear this from you. Have I made myself clear? It's your fear.
I'm sorry, because I'm sorry. My enemies were at work. See, Igwe, I don't drink. I don't drink at all. But I don't even know when I started drinking. It was the excess drinking. I didn't even know when I started drinking to a point that I overgaged. Please, it will never happen again because forget.
You went drinking.
You went drinking.
I didn't know
How dare you? How dare you?
Enough,
Achaluke, enough. Enough. How dare you? How dare you? Sorry,
How dare you? How dare you take such a serious matter for granted? How dare you?
I'm sorry.
Do you know the lives of people at risk? Do you know the number of sick people waiting to be healed? Now that the gods have shown mercy, you took it for granted. You ruined it. You ruined it. How dare you?
Do you know the gravity of what you caused?
It was Okoye that gave me drink.
Gas! Seize him. Give him 100 strokes of cane.
What are you going to allow him, he has something to say.
Idiot! Idiot! If I know the stupid maiden that caused this problem.
Eh?
Yes.
What do you say? You know the maiden?
I know the maiden. I know the idiot. And I believe she had me when I make the announcement, but stubbornly want to put me in trouble.
Tell us who she is.
Okay. See, I know the maiden. I know the mother. I knew her father. I know where they live.
What's her name?
Okay, her name. She's the daughter of Njideka, the wife of late Mazuka. Her name is Ozoma. Her name is Ozoma. Idiot. The minister is an idiot.
Okwachinaka, you have done well.
Oh, thank you.
God, can never say. Seize him. Make sure you still give him the 100 strokes of cane.
No, I've told you the name of the guy. Hey, move it. I've told you this guy now.
What a pleasant human being.
Greetings, my Igwe. How is he? Any improvement?
He's still unconscious.
I'm going to Nkechi's hut. I'm going to get the maiden that is responsible for this. I'll be right back. You! Get out! Get out! Get out! Out! Come here, come out here.
Chalogo, you're welcome to my house.
Where is your daughter?
Any problem?
Where is your daughter? Don't answer me with a question. Where is she?
Don't I have the right to know why you seek my daughter?
How dare you question me? How dare you? Don't you know who I am? Onimaro Nyembo. I won't ask again. Where is your daughter for the last time?
She left for Omonachu.
She did what? You allow her to leave when you know the crime she committed. You allow her to leave. Hey! Only Marifome, I'm asking you,
What are you waiting for? Scatter this place! Turn this place upside down! Turn it upside down! Upside down! Turn this place upside down! Scatter this place! Only money for me! Only money for me! You allow her to leave. Hey! I'll be back for you. Let's go.
So you mean he lost his healing powers?
My sister, I am as suppressed as you are. Eh? But come to think of it, how can you seeing your fellow human make you lose your spiritual powers? Forget, there is more to this.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? All the items, the properties that Achalugo collects from people before her son sees them. Eh? Is that not enough to make the gods angry? Is it not? Because stop looking at me as if you don't understand what I'm saying. Hey. Eh? That woman has taken this thing as a business. Yes, she has. Eh? Calling herself like she's the king of this kingdom. Take it down, Machalugo. Hey, what do you want here? Before you see my son, you bring cowries, goats, ram, clothes. Before you see my son, else nothing for you. Eh? Why are you looking at me? Is that not how she behaves? The only thing remaining for her to do is to command people to lay your bellies and then greet me and they will not stand up.
Mercy!
What? All hail the queen, supreme and powerful king Achalugo. Yes!
Machi!
What?
Stop! Your tongue is too loose. Have you forgotten the words have ears?
Thanks to the gods, there are no words here. Bushes. Let's go. But you know I'm telling the truth. Carrying herself like she's the king of this kingdom.
Has he been able to tell you a solution to the problem?
Igwe, if he had, I would have solved it long time ago. I am ready to spend my last penny to put things right.
I understand how you feel. This careless maiden has really caused doom on us. But don't worry. To ease your pain a bit, I want to give you the privilege to decide her punishment.
Igwe, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Igwe, I want her to come to my house. I want her to be my slave for the next 21 Eke market day.
Granted.
Thank you, Igwe. Thank you. Igwe.
Guards!
Igwe.
Get that maiden.
Yes, Igwe.
You caused me this pain!
It's okay, I shall go.
You caused me this pain!
It's okay, I shall go.
You caused me pain! You caused me pain!
I shall go.
Show her the drum. Give her a pot to fill that drum with water before night falls.
I've not offended you. I only offended the gods that they punish me.
You still have the mouth to talk, right? You little witch. Have you not done enough? Have you not done enough? You're going to live here. You're going to work here day and night until I release you. Take her away. Take her out of my sight.
Oh yeah, Binye.
Nonsense. How are you doing, son?
Fine enough to eat.
You want to eat? That means you are hungry. Hey, thanks to the gods. I'll tell your servant to get your food at once. Ndu! Get your master's food. That means after eating, you will commence the rituals immediately.
Mother, the gods are completely silent. But I'll continue to consult them.
Okay. After eating then, you consult your gods.
I will go to the mountain.
Chukwokike, why? Why?
Shut up! I say shut up!
The cry of a widow, they say, melts the heart of the gods. Why is my own different? I prayed for a daughter's healing. They snatched away another daughter from me. Why, Chukwokike? Her actions was not deliberate.
Who is that? Who is that?
Mandeo.
Mama Ndeo.
No.
Ada, come.
Ma, please, you have to stop crying.
How can I? How do you expect me to stop crying? This one is caged here. Another is enslaved. Only the gods know what Ozioma is going through in that house. So Chukuma.
Mama, please. I plead with you to hold yourself. For us all, please.
Where are you going to?
Have you seen it? Ekeanyanwu.
Mama, just be strong. It shall be well.
I'm not crying. I'm strong.
Ada, please take Mama inside. Please. You have to get some rest. You can't keep doing this. Please. Take her inside.
Let's go inside. Mama, no. Be strong. I am here to help you. Let's go inside. Mama, stand up. Stop looking at her. Mama, go inside.
Sit down here. Sit down. If we sit here, we sit here.
Ada,
Ada, why are you crying?
No, I'm not crying. I'm fine. Stop. No, it's sweat. It's sweat. Stop.
It beats you.
No.
Ada, see, I told you to come yesterday. You did not come.
I'm sorry. Please, I have to go and get something for you now. Yes, I'll come back. Let me go and get food for you. I'll be right. Don't! Stop. I said I just want to go and get food for you and I will be back. Yes.
Ada, where are you going?
I'm coming.
This whole situation is heartbreaking.
I still blame you for encouraging Ozioma to visit the Dibia from your mother's village.
How would you blame me over that? How was I supposed to know Anyanwu would be coming out that day?
You should have gone with her.
It still wouldn't have changed anything. Let's go.
Who is that fool calling my name? Oh, it's you.
Why won't I call your name when you have deceived me? I have given you a lot of calories because of my daughter's illness, so that Anyanwu can attend to her immediately and start the healing process.
Of course, he will attend to her immediately he starts.
How will he attend to her when he has lost his power? The news is all over the village.
How dare you speak of Anyanwu in that way? Oh, may the gods strike that mouth that says that Anyanwu have lost his powers. Yes, he was sick. But he's getting better. Even as I'm talking to you now, he went to the mountain.
It is not true. Give me my cowries.
Uche, you need to calm down. You need to calm down. If it stands that way, you have to go to the gods and take your cowries. I've given your cowries to the gods so that they will give Anyanwu more powers to heal your daughter. So I'm not with your cowries. If you need them, go to the gods. And don't disturb me next time. Please.
you think you're going? Where are you coming from? I'm talking to you. Are you deaf? Speak.
I'm sorry, Nne.
Where are you coming from? For the last time. Stop that nonsense. I'm talking to you.
My mother. I went to see her.
You went to see your mother. Who gave you the permission to leave this compound? Who gave you the permission? I'm asking you. I like your guts. I like your guts. Let this be a warning. Don't you dare leave this compound unless I say so. Don't dare me. Ozioma, don't dare me! Get out of my sight! Get out! Continue. And when you She has the gods. You're welcome, son. You look so tired. I hope your journey was fruitful.
I am getting better. But my power is still weak.
How can you tell me that? After the countless times you've been on the mountain seeking the face of the gods.
In due time, mother. Patience. Patience.
Don't tell me such.
Mother!
Heal my wound. You are the only one that has the grace to perform this magic. Stand on your feet and act like your great grandfathers.
I can't go against the gods, mother. I can't!
You can! You can! Go ahead and try it! Odogu cable.
Oh no.
My king.
From the look of things, the economical value of our kingdom is depreciating. The economical source of our...
Stop there.
Allow him.
Yes, Sigwe.
Greetings, great king of Umagu.
Greetings, young man.
I've come with a message from my king, King Umadani II.
Go ahead and speak.
The king wants to know if the news he had was a rumor or not.
What news do you speak of?
Forgive me, Your Highness, but the news that Anyanwu has lost his power.
Go back to your king and tell him nothing has changed. Anyanwu is still communicating with the gods. They will soon reveal the date for the procession.
You heard the king. Now run along.
Thank you, Your Highness.
My king, we have to be careful before we lose the source of our wealth.
Our family is a disgrace to this village. They should be banished.
The family is cursed. One is mad out of foolishness. The other one tries to rob Umagu, the most precious gift. I love the way the villagers attacked their mother in the stream this morning.
Attacked? What happened at the stream?
Their mother tried to separate fight between two sisters. Guess what happened? They insulted her. Other women even called her names.
I love this story.
They even told her to go and train her children away.
That's very good. That's very good for her, for having abominable children. Look at her.
Let me go, let's go. Fondo Wojo.
Yeah? Okoye, these days your customers are so few. What is happening? Yeah? No, it is because you are giving us half cup of palm wine. Then half cup. Half cup. Yeah, half.
Half palm wine?
Oh yes, yes, yeah. See. What I'm trying to say is that you are now becoming too stingy with Nkwenu. What is this stingy bonya? Too stingy.
After stealing in the kitchen while cooking, you turn back to complain when people refuse to eat.
Yes, sir. Idiot. What do you mean food in the kitchen? Idiot. Look at this. No, how?
Okwachinaka. Gente, listen. The gift of a divine being is like a natural resource that Umagu is blessed with. People from other kingdoms, they come to Umagu because of Anyanwu's healing possession.
Yes, Guinea.
They frequent this kingdom because they want to monitor the time for the next healing procession. Now, all this is what you have ripped apart.
You idiot!
Because of your drunkenness.
Yes, sir! Go. What to say is that? No, are you the chief priest? Not priest of the gods. Who are you?
Izunna, the healer is only sick.
Hello?
And he will soon get well and start healing.
May the gods of the land bless you.
Okoye, I have told you to stop giving this drunk palm wine. He's not man enough.
You idiot! The one you are drinking, are you the one that bought it for yourself? Are you the one? Look at this idiot! Udonna, you can say whatever you think you want to say. Say it today because I am in a good mood. Any other day you will say this rubbish.
Yes, no, that's the only thing he knows how to do. That's the only thing he knows how to do.
Not piece of the gods. Every other people are frequent.
Do you want more drink?
More drink?
Do you want more?
No. It is this drunk that you will give drink. Idiot. You are drinking. We're not the one that bought this drink for this idiot.
Okoye, please give him one more keg. I think his life depends on it. Yes, let him give you one more keg.
That they should give me one more keg.
Yes.
Okay, you had it. Give me more. In fact, give me more and also give me another extra from this idiot. And I will be drinking it and you will get drunk. Idiot! Okay, what are you waiting for? Give me more. No. Don't stop this procession. Okay. Something has started. I want to finish it. No, whatever. Okay. You say you should give me one more cake. Okay, already. It should be well with you.
Who's that? Calm down. Why are you crying? Calm down, please. What is it?
You promised me that Anyanwu will heal my child.
Bring your voice down, please. Bring your voice down.
I gave you all my bread.
Bring down your voice, please. This is a sacred place.
This morning, my child died.
Calm down. I'm sorry. Calm down, please. I'm sorry.
But why? Why did you deceive me?
I'm sorry. Bring down your voice. I'm sorry. The gods knows better. They knows the best. I'm sorry.
Which God? Which gods? I didn't come here to attract any sympathy from the gods. I've come to take my items.
Items?
Yes.
Which items? Have you lost your mind? My friend, get out of this place. How can I give you back those items? Am I the God that took away your child? Please get out of this side or I send the guards to throw you out. Get out. Get out of this place. Just leave, please. What kind of rubbish is that? I should give you back what? Nonsense. Son. Not again. Not again. I'm losing my mind. The gods have not been fair to us.
Mother, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. That poor woman just lost her child to the cold hands of death. People far and beyond, every one of them depend on you. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing it.
Mother, I am not a god. Stop it.
then they should restore back your powers to you. They should restore it back to you. It's not your fault that you came face to face with that stupid girl. They should restore it to you. Honestly, this is absolute wickedness. They are not being fair to us.
Stop it, mother! Put yourself together. Don't try to go against the gods.
You just healed me! You just healed me! You just healed me! You just healed me!
Are you saying I did this?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Yes! Just grab me! Grab me! Grab me and do it again! Just concentrate and do it again! Go ahead, go ahead! The gods be praised! You did it! You did it! You did it! Did it! Yes!
With the present situation of our healer Anyanwu, I doubt if he can still regain his powers. I am still wondering.
Your Highness, I have good news.
Yes.
I was asked to inform you that my master Anyanwu can now heal.
Is he healing the sick at the moment?
Not yet, Your Highness. But he was able to heal Nnebe's wound when he grabbed her.
My king, this is good news.
Alright. Tell Achalugo I received her message.
Yes, Your Highness. I beg to take my leave, Your Highness.
Oh no. This is good news. May the gods be praised.
People of Umuago, my heart gladdens as I bring you this good news. Just as the town crier announced, the healer is ready to cure your sickness. I expect you should be happy. I know some have lost their lives while waiting. But the gods be praised. The gods are ready to heal you people one after the other. Anyanwu is still recovering. But when he heard your cry, he couldn't help but recover faster. First thing tomorrow morning, he's going to see you people one after the other in the chamber.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Oh, you don't need to worry. First thing in the morning, he's going to attend to you one after the other. You'll be fine. Your sickness will go.
Anyanwu has regained his powers and started healing people. But I don't have anything. I don't have money. What do I give as gifts? I don't even have any farm produce. Because I know that Achalugo will not allow me near her son without any gift. Oh, I wish my husband is here.
Nne.
Hey, Ada.
Nne,
Ada, no.
Oh.
How is your mother?
My mother is well.
No.
Hey, Nne.
Eh?
Have you heard that Anyanwu has regained his power back?
Oh.
And has started healing people?
Yes. I heard it at the market this morning.
Oh.
May the gods be praised.
You see?
I I'm just praying that Achalugo will be merciful and send my daughter back to me.
Nne, that is true. Believe me, I am sure she will.
Ise?
But Nne, don't you think we should take Obioma there?
I want to see Ebube.
Madam, I don't think it's a good idea. The people Anyanwu will be attending to now are those Achalugo, his mother, must have collected one gift or the other from. I don't have money. I don't have any gift to give. You know my situation, Ada.
Even at that, we must not go today. We can go tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Kachifogodo.
Nne, does that mean yes?
Ada Kachifogodo.
Nne, we'll go there tomorrow. We'll take Obioma there. There's nothing like Kachifogodo.
No problem. No problem.
Let me help you.
No, don't bother yourself.
Ah, Nne, I am here now.
Ada, please don't bother yourself.
Ada, come. Come. Ada, come again. Ada, come again.
Nne, give me, stop. I am here. You want to continue?
Oh, tomorrow then?
Yes, Nne. If I finish preparing this meal now, I will go and give my friend Obioma.
Thank you.
My love! My love, why did you leave me and go?
Oh, now I'm with me.
She will be fine.
He said...
Someone is about to enter. Cover your face.
It makes no difference in me. I can now come face to face with humans. I need to have full contact with the sick to heal. Remember, it's different now.
Greetings, mother. It is the healer for our time. Thanks to the gods. Thanks, great healer, thanks. I am here. I am here. I am here.
You may leave now. You may leave. How are you feeling? You're bleeding.
I'm fine.
where is you? Eh? Why is she not here? There she comes. Oh.
This one, you're wearing a lot of beads today. Is there any celebration going on?
No, there is none. Why do you ask?
Oh, I forgot how rich your father is.
Nekusibiko. Well, my father bought these beads on his last business trip to Monachi.
Urenaya, Nuko. We've heard. So Anyanwu finally healed you of that disgusting sickness that almost took your life.
It's a mouth that is disgusting.
Ma, how can you say something like that to your friend?
Hey, I was only joking. Ngwarudo, thank the gods you're back.
I thank the gods that I am finally healed. And I thank the gods they've restored Anyanwu's power. I also pray that they give him strength to heal every other sick person in our kingdom.
Nnebe, you sound so discouraging. Okay.
Anyanwu is very sick. He even bled through his nose and ears when he healed me.
Chukwa Biama. That is bad omen.
I heard he now heals people in his chamber.
Let me tell you something. I saw his face when he healed me. Eh?
Ebere, you mean you saw Anyanwu's face?
Ebi, I heard his eyes is like that of the gods. Or is Yoko?
Check and call on. Can call what halon or Fuma. Anyanwu is a man like no other. His eyes, they glow like diamonds.
Chai!
His voice, so deep. His face is like an artwork. And his moves, they are so solemn and calm.
Chai!
Like he's being controlled by a peaceful goddess.
Chai.
Hey. Ne, don't worry, don't talk again. Oh? Because I already understand. You understand? I can imagine what he looks like.
Ew! Ew!
Anyanwu. Move Bonini Kegi. Move on.
Is I know it's you.
How come you're so sure?
I wasn't expecting any other man.
I know. How are you, my love?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm fine.
What kept you so long?
I'm so sorry. I took Mama Obioma to see Anyanwu. The crowd there was too much.
You know why I love you?
Tell me.
You have a very good heart. May the gods bless you for me.
Ise, I love you too, Obi. I love you very much. I have a surprise for you. Can you follow me to my hut?
Yes. Sure.
Get up, son. I want to bring in the next person.
Mother, after the last maiden, I am too weak. I need to go to the river.
You have to get hold of yourself. You can't be weak. Remember, the gods gave you this power for a reason.
One more person, and I am done.
Ndu! Bring in the next person.
Who are they?
Hey! Have mercy on yourself. Have you chosen to become a disgrace to us in this kingdom, eh?
Which kingdom? Are you mad? You idiot! Who is becoming a disgrace to this kingdom? In our power? Are you mad? You are smelly. Becoming a disgrace. Yeah? If I insult you now, you will say that Uka Chinaka is talking too much. Today is a good day for me. I will choose to ignore you, idiot.
Uka Chinaka, if you don't stop getting drunk, I'll stop buying you drink.
You idiot.
I will stop buying you drink.
Are you mad, idiot? Stop buying who drink? When I'm Uka Chinaka, we are the one that gave me the name. We are the one that gave me the name Uka Chinaka. No fear. Look at you. You know, go more now about because you are not doing anything.
Are you insulting me?
What do you mean insulting you? You think I don't know you? You buy me drink from where? From the money you get from farming or fishing. My friend, stop hanging your shoulders. For I know where you get your money from. You will do it. You will do it. You will do it. Yeah? What? You are talking. You want me to? Fine, I will explain. I will explain. You are acting as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah? Think I don't know how you get your money? You extort money from people. You extort gifts and give them access to your brother against others. You idiot. Think I don't know what you and your mother do? That somebody will come for healing very early, and another person will come, and you collect money. You talk.
Leave him, let's go.
He
doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. Let's go.
Where's the door? Where are you from?
Let's go.
You cannot. You are going to Majokoye. You think I don't know where you are going? You are going to squander the money you stole. You extort from people. You don't want money Okoye. It is your brother Anyanwu that I pity. Oh, that boy have suffered.
Udemba told me that he gave you some beads for me. Where are they?
Nnebe, please, I'm in a very bad mood now. Please, just let me be.
What do you mean you're in a very bad mood? I should let you be. My friend, go and get me the beads that he gave you.
I sold them. I sold them. You have so many beads, even the ones you've not used. Remember, I've been telling you to give me some of these beads. Let me sell and make more money for myself.
Shut up your mouth. You did what?
I sold them.
They gave you something for me. You sold them. In Apwala. Okay, go and get me the cowries.
No, I've used it.
You have done what? You have done what?
I've used the cowries.
So, we now share gifts. They will bring gift for me. You two, you go and collect your own gift. Or they bring my own, you take it and you go and sell it and keep the money. Meaning what? What is wrong with you? Oh, both of us, we are now sharing my son's gift. Akuya?
Anyanwu is still my brother.
Will you shut up? What kind of nonsense is this? How can you sell my gift and you hold the money? Telling me you've used it. I know Maziaka. Akuya, I know Maka. I will tell him, I will tell you. I will take him Jide. Will you shut up? You must give me that cowries. You must get it for me.
Anyanwu is still my brother.
Nonsense. Rubbish.
If you come and sit down here, let me sit down here. If you sit here, I'll sit in. Kneel down. Kneel down! You passed me without greeting.
No.
Oh, I have to ask before you greet.
I just greeted you now.
Shut up! I have to ask before you greet. Napala. Do you know who I am? I am the mother of the God in human form. Without me, this kingdom will wallow in sicknesses. Don't you know that? You passed without greeting me.
No, I'm sorry.
Oh, shut up! Now, crawl out. On your knee. Crawl out. Crawl out. Crawl out.
I'm sorry.
With your knee.
Reveal to me. Reveal to me the cause of her pain. Reveal to me the cause of her sorrow. Reveal to me
returned to me.
No, I have not. You have to forget me and move on. I have traveled to the land of the dead.
Ebube, is that you?
Yes. It is me, my love. But we can't be together anymore. We have been separated by the 7 seas.